now permit me to introduce. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Alarm clock asked me to remind. Okay, let's start the ball rolling now. San, our speaker, main speaker, and San also American anti-cancer consultant. And then she did many consultation for patient, cancer patient, all this, and conduct also Zoom advice. And then she involved actively in promoting American anti-cancer protocol, 5-step protocol. So briefly outline to you, the first step is change your diet using alkaline-rich oxygen diet. Second, using the right water. Third, using the right supplementation, like tonight what we're going to discuss, plus detoxification and exercise, the 5-step. So the major coverage today going to be on this third step of supplementation. We are under classification under functional food and superfood. So without delay, we...
नहीं 200-400 रुपया अपने को मारिया
I'm still how to turn people off. Wow, you're singing. Okay, anyway, San, without delay, can you start the presentation? So because yes. Dr. Yudhy going to come in about 45 minutes. 8:30.
All right. Recording in progress.
Go ahead. Let's shoot. Thank you, San.
All right. So ladies and gentlemen, have a good evening to all of you. It's our pleasure to have all of you here. Not so sure on the floor, on the floor there is there any new member? Okay. If there is any new member, you can just type 88 to the floor, to the chat, so that we knew that, okay, there's a new member here. And new member, old member, whoever had joined since the day one also, welcome to tonight sharing. For your information, today sharing will be on product preview, product sharing, not on marketing. So marketing will held another sharing session the other day, but tonight, a very special session to all of you, because after the product sharing, we will have Dr. Yudhy, our very big leader from Indonesia, the Bushido, who is earning more than 400 or 500,000 per month, 500,000 ringgit Malaysia per month. Okay, Dr. Yudhy will be handling the Q&A for us. So prepare your questions. If you suddenly heard any type of information and then you have questions arise in your head, all right, just type your questions in the chat box, all right? And then later, Dr. Yudhy will be handle the questions one by one. All right, so let's get the ball rolling. At the very first session, I'm going to share with you is the company background, all right? I will start off with the company background, and then later on, I will bring on the product information. So ladies and gentlemen, our company name AFC. The full name of it, Asayama Family Club. Asayama Family Club, AFC, is one of the oldest and the biggest pharmaceutical company in Japan. They started very long way before, since 1831. By that time, they started in the line of herbal medicine. All right, 100 years later, they transformed into premium pharmacy stores. 1969 is the year they formed up their own group, AFC Group, with their own factory inside which has the first GMP in Japan, and they also have their first laboratory with more than 1,000 scientists inside. All right, all this while they have been manufacturing, they have been come out all their products themselves, more than 40,000 type of products. All right, and until 2005 is the breakthrough year for AFC. Why? It's because AFC being listed in Japan, being the first pharmaceutical company in Japan. All right, and for your information, all right, the listed company stock shares price has been performed so well, especially this year. Compared with last year, it has 100% increment. Okay, positive performance. Why is that so? It's because their product is really, really amazing, which on 2018, they released this series of product, and this series of product, they passed the right of distribute to Indonesia. So in these 6 years, since 2018 up to 2024, this year, they have been in Indonesia for 6 years. And in these 6 years, there are 20,000 local doctors promoting the product together with us. All right. They also promoting the product together with us. Why? 20,000 of doctors. All right. Later I will share with you why. 2024, this year is the year they decided to go globally. And Malaysia, very lucky, very positive, is that Malaysia being chosen as the first stop when they decided to go global. All right. After Malaysia, there is upcoming America, upcoming Australia, and so on countries. All right. Regarding the certification, of course, they have already obtained whatever certification they needed to have, the halal, the organic, the safety, safe of radiation, nuclear, all those, they've already gotten it. And among all these certification, there is one very important feature in that. And look at all these logo. There's a red color logo, MIMS. This is what I'm going to share a little bit more. Because MIMS stand for Monthly Index Medical Specialty. And this is the reference book for doctor, in short. When a doctor prescribes to the patient drug supplement or medicine, all those things, this kind of drug supplement medicine, they have to be featured in MIMS. Then only they are legal. Okay, if not, it's illegal. Oh, and MIMS in globally, every country have their own version. Okay, so in order for a product to go into to be featured in MIMS, they have to go through a very strict process. At least they have to make sure the product they listed in the MIMS have to be safe. All right, this is the most crucial part. The product has to be safe in order to be featured in MIMS. So, ladies and gentlemen, when the doctors have no doubt to promote, to share with the client regarding our products, what should we do? Right? What should we suspect? Basically, there is no safety issue at all. All right. So a lot of words from doctors, opinions of doctors, testimony of doctors are all being listed in the website. And I'm not going to share with you the information, the details here. If you wanted to know more what they have been thinking of, what they have been talking about it, ask for your leaders for the link of the website. All right. And regarding the company in Indonesia for 6 years, they have been breaking a lot of records locally. Okay, Muri records is sort of like for Malaysian, okay, for Malaysian information. Muri record is sort of like our Malaysia Guinness Book of Record. All right, so FC Indonesia in Indonesia itself has 5 Muri records. And one of the very recent record is at 1st of September this year. They actually break a record of sales. In 5 hours, more than 17,000 of the new product being launched sold. Just 5 hours. That total equivalent to about 10 million of sales of ringgit Malaysia. All right. So there is a very amazing record if the company is not strong. Okay, if the company is not strong, sorry, I'm going to mute them. Okay, if the company is not strong, where come this record? Okay, so all these records are presenting how strong, how stable, how positive of a growth of the company. And also, when our company, the products went into Indonesia, they actually consecutively win the Helmi Atamimi Award of the best selling product of the year. Consecutively, every award, they got it since day one. Why? It's because the product speaks. The product works amazingly. All right. And this is what I'm going to present to you today regarding the product of AFC. But before I'm going into the details, I'm going to start off with the stem cell therapy. Why I wanted to start off with stem cell therapy? Because our body, no matter in what size we are, basically there are 60 to 100 trillion of cells in our body. But the fact is, every day, there are a lot of cells die in the same time. All right, for example, we have emotion, right? For our brain, when we're angry, there are a lot of cells die. Okay, so in short, during a day, our brain will lose 190,000 cells per day. And how about our skin? Our skin lost 40,000 cells per day. Okay, so when there is cells die, our body need to replenish, right? Or else die every day that much of cells, one day they will be emptied. All right, that couldn't happen. So in nature, our body actually will make the new cells themselves. This is what our body formulated to do in default mode. But the thing is, the stem cell in our body, the ability in making new cells actually are decreasing when we age. All right, here I'm going to share with you a little bit regarding stem cell. What actually is stem cell? Stem cell actually is sort of like an engine. The engine in your body, in our body, they're making new cells. All right, for your information, for a baby, the size of baby, okay, when we are grown up and then become a baby, basically among 10,000 of cells, there is one stem cell, means there is one engine that is making new cells among 10,000 of cells. All right. How about when we grow up to become a teenager? When we grow up, become a teenager, among 100,000 of cells, there is only one stem cell. And then when we grow up further, become a matured adult, just one stem cell among 250,000 of cells. And how about when we grow older, become a wise, matured people? Okay, wise, matured elder. Among 2 million of cells, there is only one stem cell. In summary, the ability of making new cells in our body just dropping so much when we age, especially for women after age of 30 years old, it drops like a rocket, not to up, but to down. Okay, it just shoot down. Why? Because of the hormone imbalance. All right. So basically, these are the information for us. But the thing is, when the cells keep dying, and the ability of making new cells, it just keep lowing. Okay, what can we do? Right? What can we do about that? So there are actually a few solutions in the market, and one of the very famous solution is stem cell therapy. All right, stem cell therapy, well known to be the most effective way in replenishing stem cell in our body. The thing is, it is very costly. Also, well-known fact that it is very costly. Well-known fact that the stem cell therapy is only for rich people. Why? Because every session of that costs 60,000 to 100,000, or even some of them fly to overseas just for stem cell therapy that costs 150,000. All right, but that is not just one time. They have to redo it every year or every once in 2 years. What if I'm going to share with you now we have a solution for you to replenish the stem cell in your body, to replenish the ability of making new cells in your body with the alternative cheaper way, but with the same effectiveness. Okay, with the same effectiveness and no special procedures needed. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm going to share with you. The most natural way in replenishing stem cells in our body, to replenishing the engines in our body. How? It's just by reactivating our body to do their own work with these ingredients. All right. SOP Subarashi. This is the solution for you today. The very cost-effective solution for you today. SOP is not standard of procedure. It is salmon ovary peptide. It stands for salmon ovary peptide. Subarashi carries the meaning of wonderful. All right. So this wonderful product carries 4 patents. So with all these ingredients add up together, they have 4 patents. But let us look into the ingredient first, all right? Firstly, among all these ingredients, actually, if you really look into that, there is 3 main ingredients, and 3 of them are peptide. Okay, now, this peptide, actually, if you Google it, if you go and Google it, there are a lot of functions of peptide. But I'm going to share with you the 4 main functions of peptide here, all right? Hormone balancing is what peptide can do. Peptide also can help our body to stimulate our body to regenerate the stem cell and also regenerate the collagen. And also peptide act like a messenger in our body. All right, when peptide can do so much function itself alone, what about 3 peptide? Triple peptide, our wonderful product Subarashi is, for this moment, is the world's first product with triple peptide inside. And the peptide we chose is salmon ovary peptide, sardine peptide, and fruit flow. All right, so let's have a look on what this peptide can do. Salmon ovary peptide, why our those scientists chose this peptide? Just look at the function, it's already very amazing, very powerful. Anti-aging, hormonal balance, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, cardiovascular health. Okay, just by the salmon ovary peptide alone. How about the sardine peptide? Also improve in cardiovascular health, also very good in anti-inflammation, antioxidant, and so on. And what about food flow? The last peptide. Okay, food flow actually being recognized as the most natural cardioprotective functional ingredient. And itself alone can do a lot of things as well. Anti-inflammatory again, okay, also very good. Also again, very good for the cardiovascular health. So with all this combination of the ingredients, basically, we're able to obtain 4 patents. All right. And these 4 patents by the name itself is very straightforward. Just look at the name, we know what it can do. The first one, cell regeneration effect. And with this, basically, is what I'm mentioning just now regarding regenerating the stem cell in our body. This is what it can do. All right. The first patent is talking about that. How about the last 3 patents? Okay, the remaining 3 patents is talking about improved blood circulation, anti-hypertensive agent, prevents blood clotting. All of them are talking about what? Related to our blood vessels. So in short, it's very, very good for those who have 3 high what? High glucose, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. Why? Because all these 3 highs very related of our blood vessels, something's go wrong inside there. Of our blood, something goes wrong inside there. And also very good of what? Cardiovascular problem. So in short, these are all the benefits of the products. Of course, there are more, but I will give you a short summary of this. If you want to know more, if you want to memorize it, just have a screenshot of this. Okay, so when you want to know, okay, what SOP Subarashi helps other than these 4 patents, these are the benefits of the product. All right, so regarding the first product, that's it. All right, I'm not going to talk about too details of that. I'm going to leave more time of yours to Dr. Yudhy. All right, but these are the main summary, main function for SOP Subarashi. Now we're going into the testimonial. Why? Because testimonial is the fact that's supporting what the product can do. All right, so let's look at the first one, the anti-aging, reverse aging testimonial. All right, so this gentleman 3 months ago, okay, the skin is like that at the left top corner. 3 months later, it improved so much until a lot of people asking me, is this the same person? It obviously is like a 2% different person, father and son. But the thing is, it's the same person. All right, when he consumed the product, basically his health condition improved, and in the same time, his outlook improved so much. Okay, reverse aging just worked wonderfully on his skin. And also this gentleman at the up there, his skin condition also improved a lot by in what way? Just look at his wrinkle. All right, the wrinkle just getting lesser and lesser from day 1 until 1 month later. Okay, and also the ladies, and also this gentleman, okay, from this skin condition, 3 weeks only after consuming only, all right, the skin improved so much. It's like he has been doing all the PRP on his face, okay, but he didn't. He just consuming the product, all right. And also this lady herself as well is very amazing on that. And okay, these are all the anti-aging, reverse aging, all the beauty, what the product can do on beauty side. So if you are someone who is very care about the beauty, just consume and you will know the effect itself. But for your information as a tips, if you want to really have observed, okay, observe how your skin has been improved, just take a photo before you consume the product, and then 28 days later, take another photo at the same spot, with the same angle, with the same shadow. Basically, that will tell you a lot of story on that. All right. So other than reverse aging, anti-aging, beauty side of that, SOP Subarashi is also very good for those regenerating of cells like this. Okay, these are those diabetic patients whose wound is just hard to be cured. Okay, but the thing is, you can look at this before and after. How amazing is the cell regeneration doing on his leg? All right, and how about the kidney dialysis patient? We have more than 50 cases in Indonesia. Kidney dialysis patient total recovered. We have more than thousands of kidney dialysis patients being improving. Their condition is improving along the way in these years. Why? It's because of the combination of all the patterns. It's because of what the peptides can do. All right. So if you want to know more, why, how they eat, how they consume, ask Dr. Yudhy later, because this testimonial is coming from Indonesia. All right. And of course, just now I mentioned it's very good for those 3 high people, okay, high blood sugar. This is one of them. All right. And so, in short, in summary, from our hair to our heart, blood vessels, brain, pancreas, kidney, bones, and joints, any part of these has any degeneration problem, basically, it can help to improve. All right, this is the summary of that. So now, if you have any questions regarding this, if you are facing any condition in these parts, all right, ask Dr. Yudhy. Okay, remember, later, unmute yourself later. All right. So now I'm going to go into the second product. Second product, the name, Utsukushi. The name itself carries the meaning of beautiful. All right, so why beautiful? Just now already wonderful. The wonderful already doing so much work on the anti-aging, reverse aging, or the beauty side. All right, Utsukushi, why is beautiful again? Later you will know. But before I'm going to share with you again the details of the product, I'm going to bring up some well-known facts, well-known news in the world right now. All right. So these are all the headlines being on all the news. All right. Pfizer, new, their vaccine will kill. How about the other headlines? AstraZeneca admit in the court that their COVID vaccination can cause rare side effects. All right, these are not what we made up of. These are all the news. They admitted themselves. Their COVID vaccination brings side effect, but they admitted only after all of us, the whole world, have been injected for a few years. Okay, so what can we do on that? All right, so what is the side effect of COVID vaccination? If you go and Google it in the PubMed, the National Library of Medicine, okay, you just type, okay, side effect of COVID vaccination. There will be a lot of articles telling us regarding how the DNA damage after the COVID vaccination. So what will happen after the DNA damage? What will happen? These are some of the long-term severe consequences I'm going to share with you. All right, cardiovascular system affected. Increase the risk of cancer is also because of the DNA cell damage. Cardiovascular system affected after COVID vaccination means if you just observe what these few years have been happening, or the news, those people suddenly drop dead, okay, because of the cardiovascular system suddenly affected after COVID vaccination. And also a lot of people, their family history never has any cancer history. All right. But suddenly, just suddenly, got nose cancer. Suddenly, got breast cancer. Why? Why is that so? And this number just increased drastically. Why is that so? It's because of the DNA damage. All right. And also, what will happen? Shorter lifespan, and also that will also disrupt the cell regeneration cycle. In short, that will affect our body in making new cells. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I share this kind of news with you today. Okay, it's not just to make you worried and fear and doing nothing there, but we have a solution for you, and this solution is actually a very simple, very convenient, very powerful, and cost-effective solution. All right. Usukushi, just now the product mean bringing the meanings of beautiful, carries 8 patterns. Just now the first product carries 4 patterns. Now this product carry 8 patterns. With all the combination of these ingredients, there are also 3 very main ingredients. And the 3 very main ingredients, they are actually probiotic. All right. And this probiotic is not just what general probiotic that you can consume, that you can buy in any kind of store. No. But this probiotic, after the research being done by our scientists, okay, they chose these 3 because it's very, very powerful. By just looking at each one of their function, like this Lactobacillus acidophilus, basically it can help to lower the blood cholesterol. Okay, improve the gastrointestinal, reduce the risk of lactose intolerance, and so on. All right. And how about this, the second one? Bifidobacterium longum is even more powerful. Anti-inflammation, anti-infection, anti-virus, anti-cancer, and others function of this himself alone can do so much. All right. How about the other probiotic? The Lactococcus lactis. All right. This probiotic can do what? Act like a superoxide dinutate and glutathione peroxide in our body. Okay, what does that mean? That means, later you can ask Dr. Yudhy, but what I know is that superoxide dinutate and glutathione, in summary, is the master of antioxidant. Especially superoxide dinutate is a very powerful, I would say, actor in our body in dealing with oxidation. All right, later part, I will share with you more regarding this SOD, but this is what it can do. So with the combination of all the ingredients, this product get 8 patents. By just reading the name of the patents again, you will directly know what it can do. Here I'm going to mention 2: anti-tumor agent and the suppression of the growth of the tumor, and reduce the side effect of anti-cancer drugs. So we know that this product is very useful for who? For those cancer patients, or for those who has tumor or benign tumor, malignant tumor is fine. It can help to improve the condition. No matter you are undergoing chemo or radiation, it's fine. You can consume this as well. All right. And also, how about the 6 other patterns? 2 patterns talking about cancer, talking about tumor. How about the 6 patterns? Okay, the other 6 patterns is talking all about detoxification. Okay, detox in what way? Detox in our gut system. All right, this is the first one. Detox in our gut system. So when our guts detox well, it has a very good environment, beneficial environment for the guts. All right, then basically our immunity will be activated. Okay, I can talk the other way around. Our immune system, basically 70% and 80% of the immune system comes from our guts. How healthy is our gut is, our immune system will be how strong. All right, as simple as that. So in another way, if our gut system is very toxic, inside got a lot of poison, all those, then you can see that people, basically the immunity is very weak, okay, very low. Okay, so this is the first detoxifications going on in this product. How about the second one? The second one, it can help to detox our liver. It can help to repair our liver. Okay, so in short, it is very, very good for those who have Hep C, who have Hep B. All right, it can help to improve much on the liver condition. All right, so when our guts being detoxed well, when our liver detox well, that means our skin will also back to a very healthy condition. And that's the reason why Usukushi carries the meaning of beautiful, because all this detoxification going on in our body, all right, the skin will back to a very healthy, beautiful state. That's what it can do. All right, what next? The first one, guts. The second one is liver. The third one basically also help to remove those heavy metal poison in our body. All right. The fourth one it helps to remove those dead cells in our body. At the very beginning part, I already mentioned to you, there are a lot of cells in our body, but every day the cells die. So what happened to these dead cells? All right. If they remain in the body, not being cleaned up from the body, they will mutate and become cancer. Okay. So the importance of getting rid of the dead cells from our body is very, very important. All right. So that's the summary of this product. All right. Let me repeat again. For cancer patient, this is very good in improvement. For detoxification, every one of us here, we need detoxification. It does a very, very good job. So also, usukushi can also help to activate our sirtuin. That this sirtuin is the ingredient in our body that helps to repair DNA. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, usukushi is very good in helping to repair DNA combined with our SOP Subarashi. So now again is a testimonials time. Here is a gentleman from our Malaysia. He being diagnosed of nose cancer last year. Okay, you can see from the photo. After he being diagnosed with the nose cancer, he went through a radiation. All right, and during the radiation process, his body weight dropped 40 kilo. All right, you can imagine when one people, the body weight just suddenly dropped 40 kilo in a very short time, basically the people becomes what? Very weak. So the photo also shows all that symptom. All right, so because of he become very weak, he couldn't proceed. It's very hard for him to proceed the radiation later on. And God bless, he met the product. He started to consume on the product in the same time. Oh, right. In the same time, actually, other than being diagnosed of the nose cancer, his three main arteries of his in the cardio also being blocked. Okay, that also being diagnosed in that period. And after he consumed 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, just look at the after 3 months, the photo, the skin improved so much. All right. Not only that, his health regained so much, improved a lot. And in the same time, his blocked arteries all being cleared. Okay. That is a very amazing testimonial in Malaysia. And of course, we have a lot of other cancers, testimonial, tumors, testimonials. All these are from Indonesia. So if you have a lot of questions regarding the cancer, tumors, just remember, drop down your questions in the chat box or later shoot your question to Dr. Yudhy. All right. So testimonial part, I'm not going to bring it too much. I'd rather leave the time for you later. So basically, this is the benefits of the product. All right. Take your time to screenshot it. I will give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Next. And then basically, in summary, for the first two products, Subarashi and Usukushi, when you add up together, it's not 1 + 1 = 2, but it's a 1 + 1 = multiply 10. Okay, it's a 10 times, I would say, the power of everything. It's a very complete solution for our well-being. All right, and now we have a very, very new product in the market. And this very new product, the name of it is Hikari. All right, it's the meaning of Hikari. Just now we are wonderful, we are beautiful, and what's the meaning of Hikari? Let us look into that. So this photo, what do you think of it? All right, how about this? Yeah, we are every time, basically, every day, every moment, a lot of time during a day, we are facing all the electronic gadgets. This is an unstoppable thing, and we need that. All right, just like now, you are listening to my Zoom, you are watching the Zoom, you are watching the slides, we are facing the electronic gadgets. All right, the thing is, if the time being long, okay, what will happen? These are all the diseases that will happen when our vision being affected. All right, and the thing is, very sad news is, those diseases that will happen only when we suppose after 50 years old, after 60 years old, now 30 years old also happen. All right. So this visual problem nowadays is, I will say, very, very common problems already in this era. All right. How about other thing? Autism. If we really go and check online, okay, check all the news, we can find that autism rates basically is rising. Okay. ADHD cases rising. These are for kids. How about elders? All right. Alzheimer rising. All right. Parkinson rising, dementia rising. Why? Okay, let's have a look at this very short video. All right.
Sugar in a baby's brain is called ADHD. Sugar in an adult brain is called dementia and Alzheimer's. Sugar in the eyes is called glaucoma. Sugar in your teeth is.
Yep. We are not going to go through everything of that. I just basically particular let you see the focus on this. The very first three is sugar. All right. ADHD just now I mentioned, dementia just now I mentioned, glaucoma just now I mentioned. Why all this happening? Okay, other than all the electronic gadgets, all the blue lights that affecting us, also very related to our lifestyle. All right, sugar is the thing. If our body couldn't process all the sugar in our body, when the ability in processing the sugar in our body is dropping, this is what happening. All right. Now, let's look at the solution we are going to present to you. Again, all these ingredients, when they combine together, okay, don't talk about combine first. We look into the ingredient first. Among all these ingredients, we have three main ingredients again. And again, that is peptides related. We have now triple vegan peptides. And these triple vegan peptides our scientists chose is marigold peptide, spearmint peptide, and mango leaf peptide. Okay, now let's look into that. Marigold peptide, what it can do. Superoxide dimutate. It has it. The SOD, just now I mentioned at the very in the middle part, SOD, marigold peptide acts that. Okay, marigold peptide also is the anti-inflammatory, also helps in improving the eye health, oral health, hair as well, and also antimicrobial and antifungal. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to share with you a little bit regarding the superoxide dimutate here. Just now the video, okay, the video stating about what? Sugar. Okay, just now the video stating about sugar, superoxide dimutate actually is the one that can counter what the sugar brings into our body. Sugar, when we consume, after we consume, that will create a lot of oxidation in our body. And the name of the oxidation that sugar created is superoxide. Now, superoxide dimutate means the superoxide means is the dimutate for the superoxide. Means this superoxide dimutate kills the SOD. All right. All right, spearmint peptide. How about spearmint peptide? Rich in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. All right, it's very good in hormonal balance, antimicrobial, antifungal, stress relief, and so on. Cognitive function and mental clarity as well. All right. How about mango leaf peptide? It's very rich in antioxidant as well. It's very good in anti-inflammatory as well, and so on. All right. With this amazing function of all the peptides and all the other ingredients add up all together, ladies and gentlemen, our very new product in the market, Hikari, carries 5 patents. All right. And these 5 patents talking about what? Improving our visual performance, protect our retina from the UV and blue light. In short, all the blue light from the electronic gadget, it can help to protect. Okay, in what way? Blue light actually carries very high oxidation frequency to our vision. All right. If our eyes couldn't cope with all the oxidation, then basically there will be something happen. So now all the ingredients, if you really look into that, they carries a lot of antioxidant in that. So antioxidant can tackle all the oxidation that being brings into our vision. So other than the 2 patterns, the remaining 3 patterns is talking about the regarding brain, all right? Enhance neurogenesis, enhance memory, improve brain activities, all right? So this is what it can do. So let me give you a summary on this, all right? For children, for kids, if you want to help them to improve the development of their vision, the development of their brain, okay, why we want to improve the development of their brain is because you want to help them in improving all the memories. You wanted their brain, the neurogenesis to be enhanced because kids nowadays, honestly, it's not easy. They have to face a lot of very lots of homeworks, a lot of memory need to goes on. All right. So this is very good in helping them to developing. Okay. How about for the elders? Okay, for the elders, it can help to regenerate all the degeneration. Okay, as simple as that. So in short, if there is any condition related to this, Hikari can help. All right. So Hikari, basically the meaning of Hikari carries the meaning of light. All right. Why light? Because it helps our vision back to good. Okay. Improve our vision, improve our brain genesis. All right. As simple as that. So of course, inside out, we have three main products already, the SOP Subarashi, the Usukushi, and also the Hikari. And that's why we have also one very amazing product outside in, okay? So this one, you just need to apply on your face, on your skin, or on your hair. Okay, it carries 5 pattern as well. But today I'm not going to go into too details of that because accordingly, company is going to release a very new generation of this, all right? But what you need to know, once you try this, you will love it, okay? You will chase for the serum, all right? So basically, this is some information for you. Just take a snapshot of this, okay, for your information later. And one suggestion to all of you here, all right, one suggestion. Don't be stressed in taking the product. Our product is a superfood, all right? It's not a drugs, it's not a medicine. So there is no one fixed time for that. Okay, if happen we forgot to take it in the morning, just take it whenever you remember. Okay, if you really forgot, take more Ikari, that will help you to improve your memory. All right, so basically, just be relaxed, be flexible in consuming the product, let the product works on yourself. And the most important thing, just get your hands, get your leg, get your mouth to start on the product. All right, test the product yourself and you will know why it is amazing. So basically, this is the information, the sharing regarding the products. All right, so thank you very much for your time here. And now, I believe Dr. Yudhy is on the line. Is Dr. Yudhy on the line already? Yes, Dr. Yudhy is here. Yay. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to pass the remaining session to Dr. Yudhy. He will be answering all of your questions. All right. So, Dr. Yudhy, I pass the floor to you.
Hello, Sansan. Hello, everyone. Nice to join you tonight. Okay, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, you can ask me.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, don't be shy. You just need to unmute yourself, okay? Take turn one by one and ask your question.
Okay,
Take this
anyway,
opportunity.
I'm trying to get Yudhy to come in because the capacity now is 100 lah. Maximum really, he cannot even get in. But anyway, wait for a minute. Whoever,
No, I'm here.
let me call him.
I'm here,
Oh,
John.
Dr. Yudhy is here. Dr. Yudhy is here.
Yudhy is in already. Oh, congratulations. My. I was sweating, man, Dr. Yudhy. I didn't see your name. It's okay. All system go because maximum 100. Okay, sorry. Carry on, please. Thank you. So anyway, San, you respond. Who is responsible reading
Recording
the question?
stopped.
Maybe.
Recording in progress.
Maybe Winston can address a question in the chat to ask Dr. Yudhy to answer one by one. Then after that, open the floor. Is that how you want to do it, San?
Yes, Winston, why not? You have a try. Just read the question if there is any from the chat box.
Okay. Let me go through the. Okay, I think one question from June. Sorry, there's one from Maria Joseph. Okay, I just read the question. I'm taking
Stage cancer. Is this product? Can this product?
Yes, Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Go ahead and ask.
Okay. My niece husband recently diagnosed with 4-stage cancer. And doctor say is chemotherapy whole life. Can this product can help out? I'm very serious about it because I want to help my niece husband.
Yeah. Generally, usually this product can help using two ways. Yeah. One is to kill the cancer cells
Okay.
because Utsukushi will stimulate the natural killer cell, the cell that can kill cancer effectively. So that
Okay.
is one of the way. The second way is it will be able to make the hormone balance. So usually cancer, prostate enlargement, and everything sometimes, not sometimes, often related with hormones imbalance. So using this product can also normalize the hormones. So two ways the product can help.
So you think I should recommend this product to
Of
my
course,
niece husband? Huh?
of course, of course.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Any cancer or any tumor, you should recommend this product because this product works very very good.
Okay. Thank
How
you.
many, which type, how many sessions you recommend that the cancer patient should be taking, Dr. Yudhy?
Yeah. Actually, it's depends on the reaction of every person because everybody different. Yeah. So the dosage depends on the patients and the reaction. You can adjust the dosage later. But generally for cancer, I give for this prostate cancer, usually I give uh, Utsukushi 3 times a day, two. So 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 2 in the evening. And Subarasi 2 or 3. So one maybe one morning, one afternoon enough, or one morning, one afternoon, with one evening also okay. And take that supplements after eating. Yeah.
Okay, understand. Next question. Go ahead.
Okay, for Maria again, I'm taking letrozole and aromatase inhibitor to lower the estrogen in my body. I will take it for 5 years daily. Would taking Utsukushi and Surbashi complements with what I'm taking? How?
He's taking estrogen inhibitor. Yeah. Estrogen
Uh,
inhibitor better to take Utsukushi because Utsukushi sometimes help with the progesterone level. So will lower the estrogen level. Yeah, in term.
okay. Okay, the next question is from June. I suppose your earlier answer already covered. The question is, can cancer patient take?
Of course.
Okay, I think we move on to the next one. Um, below 11, from Nancy, yeah, below 11 years old children, how much hikari to be taken per day?
Yeah. As I said, this is only healthy food, so it's okay. Want to take one sachet each day is okay. Yeah. I mean for a healthy patient, but if cancer patient, of course, take 3 times a day. Utsukushi will be a great help. Yeah. Maybe once Subarasi or twice Subarasi, but once Utsukushi one day. Yeah. That's good. So
Okay,
3 times a
so
day.
the question by Jeffrey already answered. Next question by Han Yen. Will there be any serious healing crisis?
It depends on the person. Usually, a lot of people don't have healing crisis at all. Sometimes they have healing crisis, but only a mild one. Yeah, very very rare. the patient have a heavy healing crisis. Sometimes if the patient condition not good, then the healing crisis will be stronger. But I think it's okay. Just weigh the plus and minus. So the positive effect that you have comparing to the negative effect. For my example like this, yeah. If you have cancer, then cancer is very very dangerous, will kill you. If you can defeat the cancer using the product, if you have sometimes only a little bit itchiness, I think that's okay. Yeah, a little bit diarrhea, that's okay because your body will adapt and in times it will stop the healing crisis. But you need the cancer to be defeated soon and clean. That's why keep continue taking the product. But if you take the product, the healing crisis so much that you will die, you feel, then maybe it's better to reduce the dosage or if necessary stop for a while and then continue with the smaller doses. But seldom we experience that. Yeah, usually everything's okay under control and the positive effect more than negative effect.
Okay. Next question from Maria again. Should this be taken for life if you have stage 4 cancer?
Yeah, it can make cancer disappear, but sometimes we don't know to what level, to what extent the cancer disappear. So if I'm the cancer patient, I will take it for all my life because, uh, yeah, to make sure, and also it has another positive effect to my body. About the price, you don't have to be bothered about the price because you can do the business and then you can get the product for free. So yes, if I am cancer patient, I will take it for my whole life. Even now, I don't have cancer, I take it all the time, because make me younger, make me stronger. Yeah, why not?
Okay. Next question from Elena. I have a friend who is vaginally bleeding and heavily 3 weeks out of a month, and she's trying to avoid the uterus scraping that doctors are pushing her for. Can any of these products help, and which one, and how much?
Yeah. Yes, usually this work very very good. Yeah. About which one you have to try one at a time. Maybe you use Subarasi first, and then take it 3 times a day, to sachet, to sachet, to sachet. If after 3 days, 5 days, the symptom persists, then you can change to Utsukushi. Or you take Utsukushi first and then change to Subarasi later. Because one of this product will suit for the symptom. And yeah, once I go to one village, one very small village in Indonesia, and the lady there have bleeding so much through the vagina, and uh, in only several days, the lady become very, very anemic. Yeah, and then uh, doctor decide to take out the uterus. So the bleeding so profuse that she cannot use the tampon again, but use the diaper. And the diaper full, so several time changing in one day. But after consuming the product, the first day the bleeding reduced so much. The second day, mucus substance come out. So from the second day to the fifth or seventh day, mucus all comes out a lot, and then afterward the patient's 100% okay. Maybe that's the testimonial that I can tell you. Yeah.
Okay, next question from BC Sin. My mom's creatinine, I suppose it's the kidney reading at 408. Still not yet going dialysis. She only took soap now. Firstly, took both product creatinine up to 485. That means it went up by a few, about 70 plus. After not taking Yusukushi, dropped to 408. How long have to take soap? When and how can add in Yusukushi?
Yeah. Actually, several aspect here. First, sometimes the patients do the test not before, right? before consuming the product. Maybe say that I take the first test 1 month ago or 2 months ago. Of course, we cannot make that as a what you call it, milestone, yeah, for the start the product. Uh, so in 1 month consuming, maybe it's getting higher because maybe before taking the product also much higher. So we don't know. But if you take the laboratory test right before you take the products, then you can hold that result. Yeah. But if Subarasi do good for you, then just do with Subarasi because maybe the cause of that could be hormone imbalance or something like that. And how long should take until completely normal? And then after normal, usually I will suggest the patient take for 6 more months, just in case, because a lot of illness in our body, we can see the symptom, but sometimes we cannot see the symptoms, but we are sick already. So in the cure also the same, we take and the readings become normal doesn't mean that we already normal 100%, maybe only normal maybe 85%. So we need still to take the product to make sure that 100% normal. So usually I suggest the patient to take 6 more months until when completely okay, then take more. So but this is only general advice, yeah, because sometimes the patient will respond so good, especially if we increase the product. So just explore because everybody react differently.
Okay. Next question from Alina again. To detox the body, I use zeolite. If I consume soap or yuzukushi, can I still can I still take zeolite and how?
Sorry, I don't know what's a zeolite is. Yeah. Wait.
Elena, you want to on your mic? Perhaps you want to explain further.
Okay, I'm uh wait.
Good
Yeah, I'm
evening.
reading it. Okay, I got it. So generally, because AFC products so natural, it's okay to combine with medication with a lot of other things. But the things that we cannot combine is the things that can affect the work of the products, like zeolite. Zeolite absorbing a lot of things. Yeah. So if you combine with AFC product, there is possibility the AFC product also will be absorbed. So it seems that to be ineffective. This happen also with the gastritis. If you have gastritis, the aluminum hydroxide, ALOH2. Yeah. Usually, if you take the syrup for gastritis, sometimes it neutralize your acid, but also will absorb the products. Yeah. So also, if you have diarrhea, you take active charcoal. Charcoal also will absorb the toxin and the bacteria in your body, but also big possibility it will absorb the AFC product also. So several products you have to avoid, like this zeolite.
Okay. From Tina, my friend has colon cancer and had operation. Now it starts again. I'm not sure it starts again means what. Which product can help him and if it will improve after using? I suppose you're talking about start again. I suppose it's a relapse, is it?
Yeah, I think we have a lot of colon cancer in Malaysia. Yeah, already healed completely. So you can refer to the case. The case is they take Utsukushi. Yeah, another of them take also Utsukushi and Subarasi. So it's okay. Yeah, but to me, maybe take Utsukushi first only 3 times a day, one, and then Subarasi one. But after 5 days, 1 week, you can increase to Utsukushi 2, and also Subarasi 2. That's I prefer the dose. But as I said, because this is only healthy food, actually this is not medication. So actually you don't have to ask me about the dosage because maybe if you try, then you will know the better dosage for this patient. And oh, this is respond so well like this, So you can explore and try to adjust the dosage and everything. Okay.
Hey. June, I think similar question. Stage 2 lung cancer, which one should I take? How many packet? I believe that answered already. Low, from low. I'm giving this product for my daughter's health maintenance because she can't put on much weight even though she eats a lot. How long do I need to keep giving her this product? She's 15 years old, no problem with her health.
Yeah. Okay.
So want to gain weight.
Gain weight easy, take Subarasi only. Usually in 1 month, 2 months already gain weight usually because the hormone will become normal. Sometimes person cannot gain weight because the hormones abnormal. So using this will become normal and can gain weight. Yeah, just be careful after gain weight because yeah, I prefer I want to get thin. A lot of good food here, yeah, but yeah, it's okay. To make people more balanced, yeah, the body size and everything because absorption cannot do good because the hormone imbalance. Then take Subarasi.
So if you take Subarashi and you gain too much weight, then no worry. Next year, I think we're coming out with
Take
a weight
Utsukushi.
loss product,
Oh
right?
yeah, 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 yeah. Next year, yeah, we have weight loss, yeah.
Okay. From Lucy, my 66-year-old hubby blood pressure is a bit on the high side in the morning. He used to have normal blood pressure until recently. What should he take and how many times a day?
This is the same. So once again, I repeat for all questions, yeah. Yes, there is no specific product that suits. Yeah, sometimes we find that for certain illness, this product more suitable. But in general, everybody different. Just try, yeah, try both, and then try to find one that's more suitable for you. It's okay, just try. Because a lot of people with high blood pressure, because hormone imbalance also, and then take Subarasi and Utsukushi, and then it become good. Some of them take Subarasi only, some of them take Utsukushi only. So because a lot of reaction also in someone's body, we didn't know yet. Yeah, I mean the medical world don't know everything. So it's better just to explore, to use the product, and then if you are healed, then it's okay. Because sometimes yeah, it is very difficult to explain. Yeah, how come a person with the high blood pressure cannot be healed? And use a lot of product and a lot of method cannot, and then take AFC product and then bam, become good. Sometimes very very fast. Yeah, just take it and just explore. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Next question from Miko. Stroke patient, 1 year's past. Just started taking soap and uzi, morning soap and uzi, noon 2 times soap, night soap and uzi at this moment. Encouraged to take Hikari? Do you
Yeah.
encourage?
Hikari is a new product, but I see that Hikari very very strong for the nerve growth, yeah, and nerve function. So like I said, even the first 3 days of launching Hikari, I also have already one testimonial from, I think from Malaysia or Singapore, because she chat me in English. So she has runny nose every morning, and then I give, no, the upline give already two Utsukushi, one Subarasi in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. So the dosage enough already. But after 2 months, still runniness still there. So I said to her, maybe because this is the rhinitis vasomotor. Yeah, rhinitis vasomotor means that the reflex of your blood vessel not good. That's causing itchiness when you wake up, and then you will sneeze, and when you sneeze, it will stimulate all the nose, and then you become runny nose. So I suggest to take Hikari 111 only, yeah, and in 3 days, 80% the symptom gone. So this is so good for the nerve. Another testimonial, but I forgot the detail. But someone with, I think, eye problem or something like that, and the deafness. Actually, he take the hikari for the eye, yeah, for the eye. But the deafness years already disappear, so can hear again. So hikari very good for the brain. Also another testimonial from a small child, Mongolism, yeah. Mongolism is like mental retardation a little bit, yeah. So she suffer from very severe headache, and when go to the doctor analyze that there should be a big trauma, big bump to the head that causing the brain damage. That's why she felt very painful. Sometimes even the pain jolted so much that she just jumped from the bed and crying like that. So the mother very confused. This is several months already, but giving he's given hikari, even before one box finish, the symptom gone already. So hikari shows the very prominent effect for the nerve. Yeah, that's why it's better to give hikari also.
Okay. Next question from Elena. When consuming hikari, is it normal to have headaches and sinus pain? When should it be taken for best result and how many?
This is the first time that I hear about this. Yeah, but the healing crisis could be anything. It indicates that your sinus may be not good. Your head also has something in it. That's why it's fixing the two organs. So uh, just continue taking it. Yeah, if the healing crisis disturb you so much, just reduce the dosage. But if it's okay, then you can continue take it, and if necessary, combine with other products, other AFC products. Yeah, and how long should be taken? It depends. Everybody different reaction. So usually my guideline is after the symptom disappear completely, give 3 6 months more to make sure 6 months better. Yeah.
Okay. Next question from Tina. She has another friend that has motor neuron disease or called ALS. Which product can I recommend for him? He had it 5 years ago and doctor told him he would die after 5 months. He started this disease. However, he's still alive until now and he's still fighting and there's not any doctor able to cure his disease yet.
Yeah. Theoretically, hikari, because hikari have the research about this. So theoretically hikari, but I think taking hikari and subarashi will help you. But hikari dominant.
Okay. From Elena, how can men benefit from this product for prostate cancer and which product should be taken? Is it the same product for bladder tumors?
Yeah, usually with cancer. Sorry, prostate enlargement
Prostate
or
cancer,
cancer.
yeah,
Cancer, yeah.
and bladder tumor and prostate cancer.
Yeah, prostate cancer usually take utsukushi and subarashi. You know, so take a little bit much dosage, like maybe 3 times utsukushi, 3 times subarashi first. So equal, yeah. But later, if the result not satisfying, you can adjust maybe more to utsukushi or more to subarashi. Usually the problem will solve. And for bladder tumor, of course, utsukushi.
Okay.
But remember, not to take only one sachet, because one sachet only for healthy person. 2 sachet maybe for another illness. For cancer, at least 3 sachet or 6 sachet one day.
Okay, from Li
After
Fong.
after meal better, yeah. Because sometimes people have sensitive stomach but don't realize it. So I prefer to give after meal. Okay, Winston.
Yeah. From Li Fong, is this product suitable for a heart attack patient? What is the recommended dosage?
Yeah. Heart attack patient usually suffer heart attack because of the arterial blockage, so coronary artery blockage. That's why this patient need Subarasi so much, because Subarasi will clean the blood vessel. Yeah, so main product for this Subarasi. Now you can add Hikari in order to normalize the nerve of the heart that is disturbed already, because the blockage of the artery will causing hypoxia, and also will make the cardiac tissue don't have sufficient blood flow. If this lasting for a long while, then maybe the nerve damage already, the muscle also damaged. That's why it needs Hikari. Sometimes it needs it needs Subarasi, and sometimes it needs Hikari also to help the nerve regeneration. Okay.
Okay. From RL, which product is better to regulate hormones?
It depends, because it depends what type of hormone. I'm still also observing this, but yeah, you just try the product. One, if it's getting better, then just continue. If it's not getting better, you switch to the other one. Sometimes people take both. Sometimes also not what you call it, not parallel with the theory. So that's why I said, just this is not medication, just try.
Okay. From Jeannie Tan, two questions. First question, what product can we take for eye health? I suppose that is Hikari, right? But maybe you can advise, doctor. And second question is, what product to take for numbness on the left hand and fingertips?
Yeah. I think both better take Hikari dominant, but Subarasi also. Yeah. So maybe you can also take equal Subarasi and Hikari 3 times a day. Yeah. But sometimes, only sometimes, I only find one case. The case of my friend that do rock climbing, and then have cannot do the pull up because the muscle uh, not function well. I give Subarasi a lot, but no effect. And then he try Utsukushi only 1-2 days, and then the symptom disappear. So sometimes it not what you call it, not uh, go hand in hand with the theory. Sometimes it's yeah, we are not thinking of this because the pattern different, but it happens. So you try according to the theory first. If it's not good, then you can explore.
Yeah, let me share about the numbness. I have experienced my numbness on my left hand, exactly what it is there. Every time I lift up my hand and my arm completely numb. Okay. And then I took this Subrasi and Usubusi. I took it for about 2 months, and then it's all gone completely. Now I have no numbness. Plus, I have a trigger finger on my right mid index finger. And after 2 months, that both of them gone together. That's for myself. But I have another friend, another customer of mine, and he got one numbness every time when he sleep at night on the left hand also. After he took it for 7 days, that numbness gone nearly 80%. So everybody is different, right? Thank you.
Yeah. Generally, we have a lot of what's causing the numbness. Sometimes it's the peripheral nerve. I mean the nerve in the tip of the hand. Yeah. But sometimes it's caused by the diabetes that's causing damage to the nerve. Sometimes if on the left hand only, until reach your what you call it, what's this, pinky? Yeah, pinky. Yeah, if it's
Yes.
reach your pinky finger left side, be careful. Heart attack may be there, so you have to check your heart. So a lot of things causing the numbness. That's why taking Subarasi and Utsukushi will be good. Yeah. And after a while, you can observe how, if necessary, also general checkup will help you. Will avoid, say that it's from heart attack or something like that, then, or coronary artery heart block, so you will know early. Okay.
Okay. From Nancy Lim, 78 years old dialysis patient since 2022. Until now, twice a week. How many soap or usukushi to be taken?
Yeah, it also varies. Yeah. My suggestion start with two Utsukushi and two Subarashi, but then if necessary increase it. So this is also varies from patient to patient. But the extreme case, my downline find someone who take the product already a long time, three Subarashi and three Utsukushi, and the result not good. And he said because you take it too little, so increase the dosage a lot, two Subarashi and one Utsukushi, and then the patient getting better so much that when sending the chat to me, the patient said that his doctor said that if it's continue like this, then the next month you will stop hemodialysis. So sometimes the dosage like that, you have to adjust. While um, in general, kidney problem patients cannot take too much product, but in this case, become so good the reaction. So just explore.
Okay. Elena, thanking you for answering all her questions. And DH Lee, post-menopausal lady having right middle finger tenosynovitis for 4 years, refusing simple surgery. Is there any good product for this localized chronic inflammations?
Yeah, take Utsukushi 3 times a day and Subarashi two sachet 3 times a day. Yeah. I think two Subarashi and one Utsukushi morning, afternoon, and night will make the symptom disappear.
Okay. From Doris, can this product help reduce or stop the growth of a brain tumor? It is a case of a typical meningioma. At the same time, one of her kidney is not functioning and sometimes causes sepsis and infection. Given her current kidney condition, is it safe to take this product?
Yeah, it is safe to take the product, and also the product maybe will help both sides. Yeah, for the both problem. And about the brain tumor, all of you have to remember how Utsukushi work by stimulating your NK cell. So whatever the tumor is, the mechanism still the same. So they need Utsukushi for the tumor, and yeah, need Subarashi a little bit only to help, and maybe it will help also for the kidney.
Okay. From Kamal, reversing aging. How effective is this product for reverse aging?
Yeah, you can see in the photo of Malaysian that getting younger. I think we have a lot, yeah, in Malaysia. So ask your upline. Ask your upline. They have a lot of testimonial there, and yeah, a lot. I mean, like the first person registered in Malaysia, Kevin, also now look a lot younger, yeah. Before the face is like what do you call it, puffy, and the hair only little bit. When I met him, I'm startled, but I'm not saying anything at that time. But I think, wow, Kevin's so old, because I met him several years ago, so differ so much. But after taking the products, from time to time, getting better and better. Last time I saw him very, very handsome, no puffiness, yeah, becoming young again, tight, and also the hair thick again, yeah. So this is very, very good for anti-aging.
I think Dr. Yuri laptop may be hang. Huh? Okay, anyway, from Low, is it advisable to take this product together with other supplements like vitamins? I'm not sure the
Yeah.
Dr. Yuri. Okay. You
Uh,
heard the question?
yeah. I heard the
Okay.
question. Okay.
Okay.
So for this, a little bit difficult to answer because we don't have the specific study, like C vitamin combined with AFC product, B vitamin combined with AFC product. But because AFC product only healthy food, and from my experience, it has no interference. Yeah. with another vitamins. My wife even take the sometimes CoQ10, AFC also have that product, So sometimes take AFC product of CoQ10, sometimes take B vitamins, sometimes C vitamins. Yeah, just like we take orange, it's okay. You eat watermelon, it's okay, combined with AFC. So I don't think there is problem, yeah. It's okay.
So another question from Lo again. After taking these products for 2 months now, my blood pressure is still high. Does it mean that this product not suitable for me?
You know, our body have had.
Yes, John?
Sorry, accidentally talk something. Sorry. Go carry on.
Okay. So Winston, hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go
So
ahead.
yeah. So sorry, I forgot the question. Can you repeat?
Okay. After taking 2 months on the product,
Okay, high
the
blood
blood
pressure.
pressure
Yeah.
is still high. Yeah.
Okay, I remember. Yeah. So the process of you getting high blood pressure actually years already. So sometimes it become 130, you still don't notice it. 135, still you ignore it, and then 140, oh, begin to be high, yeah. And then you still ignore, become 150, 160 like that. So the process usually very, very chronic, take a long time. Of course, the healing also need times. Cannot just in, yeah, some, a lot of them, not some, a lot of them take the product and then bam, good. But not all the people like that, because everybody, like I said, different. Maybe your organ already disturbed, maybe. So the product will clean your blood vessel, but maybe have difficulty because maybe your hormonal abnormal or the plaque already hard, because the plaque also different. Yeah, one person the plaque only superficial and fast to get rid of. Some of them the plaque already goes into the under the muscle, so cannot be disappear if that thing happen. So a lot of thing happen, we don't know, but keep on taking it because the process also need long time. If you are in a very, very good condition and better, I'm sure that all of your body will receive advantage from this. Hopefully at last your blood pressure will go down. If the blood pressure also not going down, maybe it will protect your kidney, your heart, and every other organ from the high blood pressure. So it's still useful for you.
Okay. From Alina, if we are looking for more info, what is the best place for us to look at? Is there a website or some other platform?
Your upline, ask to your upline. That's the best, because your upline have a lot of information already, and you can reach them all the time, and also they have a lot of experience already. Don't ask to me directly, yeah. If a lot of people ask to me directly, then I will die, because my downline now 150,000 people.
Okay.
From Ivy, for kids 3 years old got respiratory system issue, taking Utsu half packets, then cough non-stop and seriously. Are these healing crises or should reduce or how?
uh, have what, coughing?
3 years old taking half a packet, having cough. After taking having coughs, serious cough non-stop.
Before, what's the symptom? Only for health or have illness?
Respiratory system issue.
Okay. So there are two possibilities here. First, the illness itself develop. So if you take the product, don't make the products, don't think that every symptom appear because of the product. Sometimes like this, I have infection in my lung, and then I take the product. But when I take the product before the product can take action, the infection become very, very severe. So that is because my previous illness. So there is one possibility. The other possibility, yes, because healing crisis. If it's too much, then maybe you can reduce the dosage or change to the other product if it's too much and too long. But if it's not, then just continue or add another product. Yeah. So a lot of members sometimes, oh, Dr. Yudhy, when I take the product, I'm become so feverish, 2 days, 3 days, and then I have to go being admitted to hospital. And then when the day after I ask, what's the doctor diagnosis? They say dengue fever. Yeah, of course, it has no relation with the product. Any person taking or not taking its product also can have dengue fever and have fever, of course. Yeah. So when you have something, you have to be aware that is this from the product or another illness coincidentally there. So this because the problem of the lung before already there. Yeah, could be the development of the illness, or yeah, maybe it's healing crisis. So both sides just try to reduce the product if the symptom too strong, and add another product to help. Like before taking Utsukushi only, now take Subarashi as helping, or if necessary Hikari. Yeah.
From Rita Kong, can mix soap and utsu and basically can take together at one go.
Yeah, some people mix it and they claim they have better result, but some people like one by one. Yeah, I'm the one that love to take it one by one. If necessary, I will maybe give 1 hour time delay for another product. But it's up to you because a lot of people mix it and okay, yeah. A lot of leaders mix like 6 sachet Subarashi, 4 sachet Utsukushi one time and take it. It's okay, yeah. It's just what your body prefer. Just adjust.
Okay. Of course, Lo is thanking you for the answering the question. Next question, Doris. Which product would you recommend for the case of hyponatremia?
Uh, yeah, I don't know that specific, yeah, because I never handled this case before. Just try both product Utsukushi and Subarashi and observe how's the result.
Okay, from there on, IB say thank you, and I think no more any more question from the audience. But anyway, we are coming to 9:30, almost 9:30 already. Any more last
Close
question?
at 9:30. Any more? Keep coming, and then that's it. We finish because 45 minutes is a good timing for Dr. Wu to answer everything. Otherwise, I ask the
So
last
I
question.
have I think one more question just came in. Probably we take this as the last question. From Chen Ru. If a person is taking high blood pressure medicines, can take together with these two products, soap and utsu, and how to consume?
The answer is yes. And how to consume is up to you. Usually, I give interval. I give interval 1 hour with the medication, because logically, if you give interval, of course, the absorption better. But if you mix, also no problem. Yeah. So up to you how to consume. Yeah. And about the dosage and everything, as I explained before, you just try and adjust. Yeah.
And then maybe we can entertain one more last one. Just came in also from Majella. What is the cause of swollen feet? I suppose also I just add on myself is that I think which product lah, huh? What is the cause of swollen feet? Can our AFC product helps?
Yeah. Swollen feet. Actually, a lot of causes. Yeah, not that easy. That if that easy, then you can become a doctor. Sometimes because your heart fail, then the your feet will be swollen. Sometimes you got your kidney fail, also your feet can get swollen. Sometimes your artery block, you can have it, or simply just being hit by your wife can also cause the 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 foot swollen. Yeah, so a lot of causes. Yeah, but if the causes is the illness, then just take both product. I think generally a lot of percentage will be healed using that way. Yeah.
Okay. One last question, at least a little bit different, from Alice Ang. A child with autism, can it help and how long it takes to see effects, to see
Yeah.
result?
Okay. It depends from person to person, but when I first noticed giving SOP to autis patient, then the result very very good and very very fast. Sometimes only in 3 weeks. Yeah. But this is for small child. Last time we have 22 years old also getting better, but maybe take longer time and only to certain level. Yeah, not cannot 100% okay. But generally now we have Hikari to help SOP. Of course, this is interesting. What if we give SOP and Subarasi? Subarasi and Hikari. Yeah,
Hikari.
I think the response will be very very improved because Hikari specially designed for this, for a child with the special need like autism, SDSD, and Down syndrome and things like that. So it is very good for the nerve and function of the brain. So I think give combine Subarasi and Hikari and observe if necessary, giving a little bit higher dosage and observe, because we have one testimonial, one autist child. I think I sent the video. I don't know because it's in Indonesia. Maybe Kevin Enteng go send it to you or not. I don't know. But this child, the mother have video when the other child playing around. He just stay there and hold the ear, yeah, like don't want to hear anything. That's the autism symptom. And then after given Hikari only a short while, he can follow instruction, even can dance with the teacher, following the teachers dancing and things like that. And if you notice that we have Hikari maybe only one and a half months. So yeah, this is the reaction very, very good because in 1.5 months, we already have that testimony already.
Okay, great. And same from Alice is regarding this autism, how many soap or Hikari recommended?
Depends on the child and the reaction, yeah. But don't be afraid because like I told everybody, the story about the autism child in Papua, he took 363 sachet one time and still okay. Yeah. No, nothing happened, nothing bad happened. So don't worry, just try, just explore.
Okay, so I think with that we end our Q&A sessions. Thank you, Dr. Yuri. And John or San, I think hand the floor back to you.
Thank you very much for all. It has been good response anyway. Over 100 people keep coming in. So this session has been very, very useful for everybody. Thanks, Yudhy, for your time. Took just over 45 minutes of your time. And surely all of you have benefited. Okay. So anyway, I think we have not covered any marketing plan on this particular session. Maybe on the last question before you go off, what attract you, Dr. Yudhy, to do this business as a business, because you are a doctor by profession? What major attraction?
Okay. At first, I only attracted to the product because if the product not good, then nothing to me. I won't do the business even if people give me a lot of money telling me to do business. If the product not good, then I won't do it because I'm an honest man, according to me at least. And also, uh, money is not everything for me. Yeah, money is very important, but not everything. So if the product not good, I won't do this business. But I'm in because of the product, and the product helped me so much, even in my practice. Because as a doctor, often I have to give up actually, but I may not give up. Uh, for instance, if I found person with the heavy illness, cancer, end stage, things like that, I know in my heart, in my mind, that in my brain, that this patient won't be helped, won't be able to be helped. So, but as a doctor, I have to say, hey, it's okay. You still have hope, try this. But actually, I know deep in my heart, this vitamins or everything like that won't help. So this like very, very, this cause uncomfortable feeling for me as a doctor. So when I know this product, I feel very, very glad because I can sincerely say to my patient, hey, wait, you still have hope, even very high hope actually. So I can give this product. That's the first. Second, when I give the product to the people, a lot of people being helped, healed and healthy again. And this very, very make me very, very happy. That's why I do the business. And after a while, of course, I receive a lot of money, very, very big money. And this got even better because who doesn't love the money? I think everyone love if have extra money. Moreover, if the money a lot. So yes, now I also think, I also act, I also make another people thinking like me and can help themselves. Like this morning, I share you about Anastasia Irmawati income. Before, she has no money, very stressed because the house will be taken by the bank. But now she has 250 million one day. Yeah. So this is very, very good. And then this causing me to help more people. And also the third is we are Asayama Family Club. Yeah. So we become family here. I feel this so much. Like I go to Johor Bahru, I don't have to be afraid. There is John there and Sansan and everyone. Yeah. I go to KL, Kevin and everyone. I go to Penang, Tang. This is the good thing because everywhere I go now, I have families. So this is the perfect condition for me. And also the trip, bonus trip. 1 year, I go 5 to 6 times abroad free from AFC and make me go around the world and very relaxed here and there. Yeah. So this make me stay in this business, and but first because of the product.
Very good. Thank you. Excellent sharing. Are you going to be at the cruise? If the cruise on the competition end in 25th October?
Of course, of course, of course.
Okay, that's a fantastic good news to meet Dr. Yudhy. So every one of you ask your upline how to achieve the cruise, a free cruise to Singapore, go to Vietnam and Hong Kong, right? And so we can have the privilege to meet Dr. Yudhy in person, all of us, okay? Thank you very much for your time, San for presenting, and also Instant for helping on the questionnaire. And thanks for your time, Dr. Yudhy. Thank you, and good night, everyone. Bye.
Okay, thank
Thank you,
you.
Dr. Yudhy.
Bye.
We see
Thank
each other
you.
again. Bye-bye. Thank you.
See you. Bye.
Bye bye. Good night.
Night.
Good night.